Hi friends, today's lesson is from Module 1, Lesson 27. Our learning goal for today says, I can count objects to 10. Well, that's just perfect because today I'm going to need your help counting. See, I went to the pond this morning and I saw the cutest little duckies. Oh my goodness, aren't they adorable? Yeah, I told you. All right, I need to count these ducks because when I leave here, I want to go home and tell my mom how many ducks I saw. I want to make sure I tell her the right amount. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so who has an idea? Because remember, before we start counting, we should have a plan of how we're going to make sure we count every single object. So what could be a good plan for counting these adorable ducks? Oh, yeah, that's a good idea. Since they're kind of scattered all over the place, I'm going to use that dot to dot strategy where I start at one and then draw a line to go to the next one. All right, so here we go. Count with me, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey, there are 10 little ducks. Man, oh man, that strategy worked really well. You know what? I'm going to try counting them just one more time and make sure it's for sure 10. So here we go. Wait a minute, ducks. You can't move because I had a good strategy. Wait a minute. Oh, no. The ducks swam and moved around. Now what am I supposed to do? That strategy worked really well, but now they moved. They're kind of like in a big circle almost. Oh, do you think that should be like a new plan, counting like around in a circle maybe? Yeah. Is there a strategy that we could use? Ah, our circle strategy where we have the marker, right? We use the marker line to help us know where we started our counting. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Let's do that. All right, so there's my marker line. Can you go ahead and count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there are for sure 10 ducks in that pond. Man, I cannot wait to tell my mom. She's going to be so excited. Oh, ducks, you're so silly. Did you see? The ducks turned around and now I can see they have numbers on them. Hey, so this is going to be like a real dot to dot where I'm going to have to connect the numbers in order. Ooh, 1 to 10, that's a ton to count. Do you think we can do that in order, friends? Okay, I'm going to literally draw lines in between them from number to number, but I'm going to need your help. Can you go ahead and tap on the number 1 so I know where to start? And then you slide your finger over to 2 so I know where to put my line, okay? Let's all count as we do it. Ready? 1, 2, thank you. Where's that 3? Oh, there it is. 3, then 4, perfect. 5 is way over there. What comes after 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 6. Then what comes next? 7. Then we have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. And last but not least, 10. Oh, good. Hey, I like that they had their numbers on them because it could help me see what I was counting as I tapped around the pond. Man, I love these ducks. And I love you because you helped me count them. Thank you. This is actually great because our learning goal said I can count objects to 10, and that is exactly what we did today with those ducks. All right, so it's your turn. I have the ducks move around again, and what I would like you to do is I want you to make a video telling me what would your strategy or your plan be for counting these ducks. And then I want you to count them, starting at 1 and going all the way to 10. Good luck, friends.